Hello everyone. I was working hard on the CCSS grade 6 math lab map area, but I decided to take a short break and create this map. As I mentioned in the previous CCSS videos, I would be taking many of those ideas and making full-scale maps or areas for use with students. This map can be found in an age within the MCEDU project. The focus of this map is coordinate grid standards in grade 5 and grade 6. Some features I wanted to point out include the mini-map window. Take a look at the bottom right corner. It is a clearly marked X and Y axis. Each of the grids in the section are 10 by 10 blocks, and there are a total of 20 by 20 grid sections on this map. So the total area of this map being 200 by 200 blocks. The layout is surrounded by MCEDU border blocks to keep students from straying too far, but still give them a sense of freedom within the area. So you can see all the way around. Okay. Currently, if you look up, there are border blocks separating the different quadrants. Initially, I put those in thinking I would send different teams to different quadrants. The more and more I think about it, I may just explain to them that there are 32 items on this map, and I want you just to go find them all and have the kids run all around and just see what kind of happens. Up top here, you will notice that I have torches on the X and Y axis. This kind of provides a couple of nice things, graphical things, as far as on the mini map, you can definitely see the X and Y axis stand out. You also notice that each of the grid line where it crosses the X and Y axis has a darker line that's there, and that's actually there's the snow that's been melted, but it looks really nice, and it kind of gives students a little bit more of appeal, I guess, to see how easier for them to view everything. Okay, so as far as how the students will use this map, they will teleport into here, of course, and they will come in here, and I'll instruct to them over here. They each, of course, sit at a desk or a section of desks in my room, and there are 8 sections. So there are 8 different boxes here. They will go to their section. They will get a set of armor, colored armor, and you'll notice that each one is a different color. Okay. All right. Once they've got their armor, they'll search and record the coordinates of items I've hidden around the grid. Currently there are 32, as I mentioned earlier, on the entire map, 8 in each quadrant. Each of the items are placed on the grid, meaning they're on these grid lines, not somewhere in the middle. Eventually I may change that where they can just be anywhere within the 200 by 200 blocks. The point here, of course, is getting the kids used to seeing coordinates to find landmarks, but not have the grid marks on the mini-map, meaning they would actually have to use the coordinates to wander around and find these things. And then, of course, my final idea of having the students map out an area in a Minecraft world without coordinates and without the mini-map guidelines, and see how that would work. Anyway, as always, your thoughts, comments are appreciated. Please stay tuned for other videos that I'll be uploading soon. Thank you very much.